Om Sai Ram. May Baba's divine blessings and grace be with all his devotees. I will be sharing the happening on 5th September as mentioned in the book Sai at 366, which talks about Please rain, O clouds of mercy. Kabir was once walking through the bank of river Ganges. He witnessed something strange or unusual. A chatak bird reached the river Ganges with thirst, but without quenching its thirst, the chatak bird left the holy river Ganga. Kabir knows one thing by this. The chatak bird will not quench its thirst with any water, even though it suffers with utmost thirst. The chatak bird quenches its thirst only through the water first fallen from the clouds, even if its life ends. This incident pleased Kabir. He wanted that every person should have the relation to such an extent with God. Adi Shankaracharya described with the examples of efforts of devotees who wanted to reach Lord Shiva. Ceaseless devotion with God only sees the love of God. We should wait for drops of nectar like the bird cuckoo, says Guru Ramadas in Guru Granth Sahib. Madhav Rao Adkar, who was born on September 5th in the year 1877 in Ahmednagar, has reached Sai Baba because of his past life's merits only. He has written Aarti song on Sai Baba with utmost love. That Aarti song was sent by Sai Baba through Ramgir Bua during the delivery of Mainatai to Nana. The last stanza of that song says, Ichchita dina chataka nirmalatoya nija sukha Pachave madhavaya sambala apulibaka. The meaning of which was, just as the chatak bird desires to drink pure raw water, so, O Lord, and kindly give me your assurance that I will receive such direct knowledge, we do Aarti. It also adds, send your pure form of water to us to save us, listen to our lamentation. As desired by Madhav Adkar, let us all become the chatak bird. O Sai Baba, my clouds of mercy, kindly rain. Bow to Shree Sai. Peace be to all. For more audios, please visit saileelas.com. Jai Sai Ram.